Hi everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Closet. Today I'm going to show you how to do the cross stitch to make a scarf. This scarf is 65 inches long. I don't remember the color or the brand, but this time I'm going to use Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. It's the number 4 strand, 482 yards, and the color is fuchsia, Jazzy Fushia. Let's get started. You make the scarf in a multiple of 2 plus 1, and you single crochet the first row. And you start from the second chain from the hook, and you single crochet every stitch. Continue on until you get to the last chain and single crochet all the chains. After you completed your first row of single crocheting, you chain 2, turn your work, double crochet in the first single crochet, skip the next single crochet and go to the one after. When you double crochet in that single crochet, you go back to the one that you skipped and double crochet. And that's your first cross stitch. Once again, you skip a space, double space in the next one, then you double crochet and go back to the one that you missed, that you skipped. You skip this single crochet, double crochet in the next, then double crochet back into the single crochet you skipped. One more time. Skip a single crochet, double crochet in the next, and then go back to the single crochet that you skipped. Continue on. When you get to the last single crochet, you double crochet. All right? Skip this single crochet, go to the next, then double crochet into the single crochet that you skipped. When you get to the last 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, you skip this single crochet, go into the next and do a double. Go back to the single crochet you skipped. And with the last single crochet, you do a double crochet. You chain one and you turn and you single crochet in every stitch. You single crochet. By the way, you can use an I or a J hook. Today I'm using a J hook. And I'm single crocheting in every stitch. This is a 2-row repeat. I'm single crocheting in every double crochet. Now this is the last double crochet right here. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. See how it's looking? I'm going to double crochet in the very first stitch. Remember, the very first stitch, you do a double crochet. You skip the next single crochet and go into the one after that. And then you double crochet back into the one you skipped. Skip the next single crochet, double crochet in the next. And you repeat across, skipping a single crochet, double crocheting into the next, and then going back to the one you skipped. Skip this single crochet, double crocheting the next, go back into the one you skipped. Continue on. I'm at the end of the row, and here are your 3 single crochets right here. I'm going to skip this single crochet, double crochet in the next, and then double crochet back into the single crochet I skipped, and then double crochet in the last single crochet. And chain 1, turn, see the cross stitch? And single crochet in every stitch. Single crochet in every double crochet. I'm going to do a few more rows just to give you a good look at how your scarf is going to turn out. Continue on. I'm going to do a few more rows and I'll be back again. See how it fades from dark to light? I love it. I'm almost done. I'm going to do 65 inches, and I'm putting tassels at the end. So I want to take the time to show you how to do tassels. You take 2 or 3 strands, about 10 to 12 inches long. It depends on how long you want your tassel. You fold the 2 strands. I grab a smaller size crochet hook. I find the spot that I want to put the 2 strands of tassels in. I take the folded part, put the hook where the folded part is. I pull it through, and I grab the bottom, and I take the strands on my left and I pull it through the loop, and you have a tassel. I'm going to do it one more time. I have my 2 strands. I'm going to fold it over. I'm going to get a smaller crochet hook. I'm going to place my hook where I want the tassels to go. Grab the loop, pull it through, grab the loop with my fingers, and I'm going to pull the strands right through the loop and pull. And that's my tassel. I'm going to tighten the tassels a little bit more. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Until next time, keep crocheting.